Hello, my name is Uwe Artmann. I'm CTO of Image Engineering. IEEE-P2020 is the standard for image quality in automotive systems. It's the first international standard in this topic. So how can it help you? Let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at noise, also an image quality factor that is important. Here, it's not that the P2020 provides something fundamental new, but it's well defined now, and that's something that you can reference. So it extends the established methods for and defines operation conditions for the automotive camera. So other standards that are out there are typically then used for machine vision or for like photography, but they do not always apply then to automotive environments. So what the standard defines are many different metrics for the dark noise. So as the dark statistics are quite important for designing and for checking your sensor, so there's different metrics that are then defined for that. What is interesting is that this is important to perform, especially dark signal measurements are important to perform over different temperatures. So that's where, for example, our IQ climate chamber is of interest, because it's it's a setup where you can easily change the intensities or the temperatures and then measure the performance of the imager over temperature. Another measurement for noise is then the SNR. As I said, SNR itself is a well-established metric, but how exactly it shall be measured and some of the definitions are not well defined and not established for the automotive environment. So that's why it has been done here. So what you see there is an image of an example setup in the top right. That is actually the LG3 with our TE269 test target. So with this setup, you can perform the noise measurement according to IEEE-P2020. So you get the SNR plot and you get a photon transfer curve from that that you can then use also to define like SNR drops and to really characterize the image.